maybe. If you were wondering how far you could push a rental truck, we did it. Drove up this mountain. Yeah! It's a rental. All right, we're trying to drop into this little fork of a river. I think it's the American River. We're at the point where I'd call us comfortably lost, which is always good. Highlights: drove a rental pickup truck into one of the sketchiest off-road routes I've ever been on. We made it. We had a older lady tell us we were gonna get eaten by bears if we slept where we slept. We proceeded to sleep there and drink our beers. No bears. Now we got some bear spray. We're strapped up to the 9. Rans is out here staying wild. Beautiful though. We just saw a deer get spooked, probably by something pretty big in here. Hey bear! See how this goes. Hey bear! Don't really have a trail at this point. You stoked? Your mom's gonna have a panic attack when she watches this. Dropping.
Well, if this is the shit you like to do, this is what we do a lot.
This is the shit I like to do.
Half of our friends are in campers.
Perfect. Nice. Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, I'll catch you in the front yard. How are we doing? Phew. Made it.
Shit. Oh, sick.
Sunday.
I mean, it's so
weekend. Now we just gotta hike this big ass mountain, drive an hour out. Just gotta get up there. And that's all she wrote. No bears, no rattlesnakes, just an epic amount of mosquitoes. Gotta get to that mountain. A little sweaty? Going in there, Jehovah's.